You ask him regarding the sun, that is the sun stationary? He will tell that previously we thought that the sun had only revolved. It did not rotate about its own axis. It was later on discovered that the sun, besides revolving, it even rotates about its own axis. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an, in Surah Anbiya, chapter number 21, verse number 33, وَهُوَ الَّذِي خَلَقَ اللَّيْلَ وَالنَّهَارَ وَالشَّمْسَ وَالْقَمَرَ كُلٌّ فِي فَلَكٍ يَسْبَحُونَ. It is Allah who has created the night and the day, the sun and the moon, each in its orbit, moving in its own motion. The Arabic word yasbahun, it describes the motion of a moving body. And today science tells us that the sun, it takes approximately 25 days to complete one rotation. So the glorious Qur'an says that the sun, besides revolving, it even rotates about its own axis. You ask atheists, that who could have mentioned this in the glorious Qur'an 1400 years ago? But science has discovered it recently, 100 years back, 200 years back. He will give a long pause. Don't wait for the answer, continue. Today, after science and advance, we have come to know that the universe is expanding. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the glorious Qur'an, in Surah Zariyat, chapter number 51, verse number 47, وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. And we have created the vastness of the space, the expanding universe. The Arabic word musi'un, it means vastness, it means expanding universe. And there are many critics of Islam who might say, it is not great that the glorious Qur'an talks about astronomy, as the Arabs, they were very well versed with the field of astronomy. Let me remind you, it was after the revelation of the glorious Qur'an that the Arabs, they became good in the field of astronomy. And it was because of the glorious Qur'an that the Arabs, they became good in the field of astronomy. And not the vice versa. In the field of hydrology, you ask atheists regarding the water cycle. When did we come to know regarding the water cycle? He will tell, it was in 1580 where Sir Bernard Palissy, he described the water cycle. And he said that the water evaporates from the seas, there's cloud formation, there's rainfall, and the water cycle is replenished. The glorious Qur'an talks about the water cycle in great detail in several places. In Surah Araf, chapter number 7, verse number 57. Surah Ra'd, chapter number 13, verse number 17. Surah Hijr, chapter number 15, verse number 22. Surah Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 18. Surah Nur, chapter number 24, verse number 43. Surah Furqan, chapter number 25, verse number 48 and 49. As well as in Surah Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 24. Surah Rum, chapter number 30, verse number 48. Surah Fatir, chapter number 35, verse number 9. Surah Yasin, chapter number 36, verse number 34. As well as in Surah Zumur, chapter number 39, verse number 31. Surah Jasiyah, chapter number 45, verse number 5. Surah Qaf, chapter number 50, verse number 9 and 10. Surah Waqiyah, chapter number 56, verse number 68 to 70. Surah Mulk, chapter number 67, verse number 30. As well as in Surah Tariq, chapter number 86, verse number 11. You can go on and on giving only references wherein the glorious Qur'an talks about the water cycle in great detail.